friends and family, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a Shein mini haul. These are all shorts for the summer season. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Jennifer. On this channel we do makeup and beauty subscription unboxings, clothing hauls, vlogs, and some shop with me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more detailed information, short videos, and things like that of your favorite items. Alright, so today we are obviously doing the Shein haul. Now it's just shorts because I struggle with shorts. It's a mini haul. I think I have 4 or 5 pairs of shorts, but I am 5 feet tall exactly, and I'm chubby, so I'm short, chubby, and pudgy in the middle. So I wear a 0X on the curvy side. However, I can sometimes fit in the women's side, but all of these are going to be a 0X or 1X from the curvy side. So let's go ahead and we'll get started. Now first I wanted to do a follow-up on this lovely shirt. In my last haul I had paired it, I didn't have an undershirt with it, and so I just wore a sports bra, but since then I added this cute little top with this Shein haul, and it goes so perfectly well with this. Oh, I'm so short. Okay, so it goes, I know you can see my bra is just for purposes of this video, but it is super cute. You can see the detail in the back. I am gonna change my shirt, so I will show it to you better in a minute. And of course I have my $4 stretchy capris from Walmart because I live in those things. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you this shirt, this undershirt first. Alright, so look at how cute this is. I mean, it is obviously a little bit sheer. I will need to probably find a better bra, but you know, we're just testing things out right now. Now for me, I always struggle because I'm smaller on top than I am on the bottom, and so I always have this extra room here. But I wanted to share with you guys the detail in the back. So cute, it's so cotton and comfortable, and share these things with you guys, so please don't judge the gut. Thank you. Alright, now the first pair of shorts I got that are these black pair, and I really like these. They're stretchy. Now the goal of this was because I'm going on vacation, although when I put this video up I think I will have already gone on vacation, but we are going to Miami and I don't want jeans. I don't want anything that's gonna make me sweat, so I got some linen shorts. And if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I struggle with the hip or the thigh area because my thighs are smaller than my hips, and I always have like some extra wingspan going on. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we'll try these on. Alright, here are these black shorts. I'm gonna wear it with this top, which I showed in my last haul, and it's only because it's white and it's a bodysuit, so we can actually get the full spectrum of the shorts. So I just want to keep this one on. It's one of my favorites, you know, so there's that. But here are the shorts, and I'm just wearing socks because I'm in the basement and it's chilly in here. But yeah, here are these guys. Now I do like them. I think that they fit really well. They still have some give. You know, I like that they have that stretch because I do not like to be confined to things, and I think these are really nice. The one thing that I need to do is decide if I like all this extraness down here, because the crotch area is like so long, But other than that, I really like these. They're very comfortable, and I do feel, you know, like they're nice and cool for those humid days or hot days wherever you may be. So let's keep on keeping on. The next one I got, oh, I forgot to say that these black ones are in a 0X, and so are the next pair are also going to be in a 0X, even though I'm sharing it upside down. These ones are a khaki color. These are a khaki color, and they have the shorts, or the shorts have the shorts. The shorts have the pockets here. Again, got that stretchy waistband, linen-like material. They are folded down here with that hem. So yeah, let's try these babies on. Here are the khaki colored shorts. They have those pockets, which, you know, I really like, because I feel like I can do the dang thing in this when I'm, you know, shopping, when I'm looking out to the ocean to see, oh, what is that? Is that a bird, a plane, a boat? I know I'm cheesy, but I really like these. Again, they have a nice give. They're not too, I mean, I maybe could have sized down, but they didn't have these in the women's side, and they, sometimes the extra large is just not, they don't give me the stretch I need. Like, they do weird things. Like, a lot of times they will fit the butt part, or I'm sorry, backwards. They will fit the front part, but they won't fit the back part, and I'm like struggling to stretch the back part on because I got like this whoop, whoop in the booty. But I really do like these. Very comfortable, very nice. Again, I'll have to see because they have this long crotch. As you know, it's like that meme, long day, long crotch day. All right, the next one we have is also a 0X. These, I was really looking for a sage green color, but as far as shorts go, this was the best that they had. Now, if you've watched my other hauls, I bought 2 pairs of pants with the same material, and it's so comfortable and just, I don't know what it is. It's kind of like, reminds me of a tent, but I mean, I know that's not what it is, but anyway, like, those pants were super comfortable and I loved them. They looked so good and flattering on me, or at least I believed so. So I wanted to get a pair of shorts to kind of do the same thing. So we'll give these a try. They have these pockets up front. Yeah, let's try them on. Here are the green ones. I really like these. I do wish they had the pockets this way though, because I keep like wanting to do that. I guess I could do the thing like this, but that would just, I mean, it looks funny anyway, but then, you know, I go and do that. But these also have that give. These fit a lot better than the other two as far as, you know, the more fitting. The other ones were a little extra stretchy where I felt I could size down. These ones you probably could size down also, but I don't think the stretch is as big as the other ones. So they are more of a better fit. And I like the length. Here is the back for the booty part. Yeah, I really like these. They feel really nice. All right, last pair. The last pair are also a 0X. And I have to tell you, they're ripped because my children are nosy and they went and opened this package and they tore some of it. And I was like, dude, come on, guys. Come on. So anyway, there's that. Now these ones are a, oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing with my life right now. I unzip, zip. Okay, these are more of a chocolate brown on the lighter side, so maybe a milk chocolate brown, I don't know. But these are really cute. These are like the khaki ones. They have the pockets here and the stretchiness, so let's give those a try. Here are the brown pair with the pockets. Now these are kind of big like the other ones, but they're nice and flowy. I'll have to see, I mean, do I look like a tourist in these? Because, you know, I don't mind looking like a tourist, but I'd rather look like I'm on vacation, if that makes any sense. To me, in my brain pan, it does, but I do like them. I love the pockets. We can do, you know, the thing, but I don't know, they're kind of big. Look at this. And this is the part where I say I struggle with shorts, because look at all that extra-ness. So, I don't know. I just don't know, man. I don't know. So, I do like them. They have that extra stretchiness. I feel like with all of these, I could be like, look at me, I just lost 40 pounds. Kind of a thing. But I love that they're comfortable, because this top is also very stretchy material. So I love that because it's not really restricting. And you guys, I'm actually wearing better shapewear underneath. In my last video, I thought I found the most perfect shapewear, and they can be, but not with bodysuits. I did like them. They were comfortable. They were good for the bottom half, but not bodysuits. So I think I found one, and if you want to stay tuned, I will show them to you. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll wrap this puppy up. Alright friends and fam bam, I am just wearing my stretchy Walmart pants to finish up the end of our video, and as promised, I said I would share with you the shapewear that I wore in this video. Now, these are huge because I did buy the wrong size. These are they're an extra large to an XXL, and I really could have just done a large, extra large, but these work really well. I'm sure you've seen these before. I don't know the brand. I bought this a long time ago, like it was either off of a Facebook ad or I'd say TikTok, but I think these are older than TikTok even. I'm gonna look at the bag and I will link them down below if I find them. I really liked these. They have a minimal stretch, so they really suck your gut in. They have this little, like, I don't know what these are, like plastic in here to hold them up. And then you do have like the butt part, you know, kind of does the thing there. You do have the nice little underwear thing going on, and then here's the crotch part, like has this, like it's a different detail than it is up here. This is, because it's big on me, I do have, like I always wear underwear with nylons, tights, shapewear, pretty much anything but maybe a swimsuit. Like I can't free ball it, even though I don't have those. But like this here, I'll still wear underwear underneath this, and it does kind of have extraness like under here because it's big, but the waist part fits really amazing and it sucks it in, or at least I think so until I review this video back like I did the last one. But yeah, I would recommend these because they're not too bad for people who don't like to be restricted like you and I, or I'm assuming you and I. And it does not roll down. Like even though it doesn't have the sticky stuff, it doesn't roll down. Now sometimes in the back it can kind of start to do that, but if you just kind of remold it, it's fine. I usually don't wear it longer than, you know, a night out or an evening out, so maybe I wouldn't say more than 4 hours. So anything more than that, I don't really know. But like as soon as I get in the car, I take these puppies off. My babe, he don't give a crap. He's just like, whatever. He already shakes his head at me all the time, and it's actually a turn on for me every time he's like, ah. And I'm like, I know, he puts up with me. Anyway, thank you for joining us. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. I am starting to put some cool things there as well. And yeah, all right, we'll see you later, my fam bam. Okay, bye.